Okay, guys, I'm going to show you one last example, hopefully to hammer this home, the square root property. We are trying to solve for x. We want to get x all by itself. So we got to move all this stuff away from the x. We got to do it in the right order. So before I can take a square root of both sides, that's kind of important here. With I see it's squared, I'm going to have to take a square root. I first have to move this times 2. I got to isolate the squared part first. So to do that, I see a times 2. I will divide this side by 2. I will divide this side by 2. Those 2's cancel. And now I'm left with x plus 3 squared equals 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Next, here's the corny, hokey little story to hopefully help you remember this. To me, I feel like this squared here is like the rain. It's raining squared. Squares are coming down on everything. And what does everyone need when it's raining? They need an umbrella. So our umbrella in this instance is going to be a square root symbol. So I'm going to put an umbrella on both sides to protect these things from the rain itself. Now, the rain and the umbrella cancel each other off, so I would just be left with x plus 3 on this side, right? We got rid of the squared. And now this umbrella is kind of broken. For an umbrella to work, it needs to have a handle. And the handle of our umbrella will be the plus or minus symbol. So it's actually plus or minus the square root of 4, right? That's what the square root property says. So I take the square root of 4, and that would be plus or minus 2. I'm not done yet. A lot of students see plus or minus 2, and that's our answer, but it's not our answer. X is still not by itself. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and here comes that first prerequisite skill we had. I have plus or minus 2 minus 3. So that's going to give me two equations. One is a positive 2 minus 3, and the other one is going to be a negative 2 minus 3. There's the plus or minus version. So then now I can finish these. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. It doesn't always have to be the same number. They're two different numbers, negative 1 and negative 5. And we are done. We solved. Square root property. We need an umbrella. Umbrellas need a handle. Moving on.